Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making paneer for the kids, butter paneer. Here I'm using this paneer here, and I'm using the VH sauce, which is really good, creamer, and this seasoning for the butter paneer. It says chicken, but it's just a seasoning. You can use it with paneer too. Very simple. I have 1 red onion here, 1 piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 seasoning pepper, green onion here, that's the paneer there. Sean seasoning mix, adding 1.5 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix everything together. This looks so nice. Color is so nice. Adding the paneer to the pan. Color is looking good. Look at the color, so nice. Removing the paneer now. Looks good. Color is so nice. Adding a quarter stick of butter. Look at this color, so nice. Adding the garlic, ginger, onion, seasoning pepper, it smells so good. Some green onion, looks so good. It smells so good too. Color looks so nice, and it smells so good. The paneer and the butter smells so good. Now I'll add some orange pepper and green pepper. Oh my, look how colorful this is. So colorful. Smells so good. We're cooking all vegetarian for Navratri. So this is one of our Navratri special. Happy Navratri to all our viewers, subscribers, my family, friends, all those who celebrate Navratri. Happy Navratri. So colorful. My kids love this. This is their favorite with naan bread. Adding the paneer. Paneer is so nice. The color looks so nice. I just season it with a shan seasoning, butter shan seasoning, and I grill it in the pan. And look how nice it comes out. With a little bit of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons. Looks so good. Now I'll be adding the sauce, the V8 sauce. I added some water in here, in the bottle. Added half a cup of creamer. Look at the color. So nice. We love this with naan bread. Really, really nice. And the paneer looks so good. Look at the color. Really, really nice. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like how it turns out. Looking so good. Color is so nice. Paneer is all done. Thanks for watching again. Bye for now.